Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science and AI. Begin by building a solid base in mathematics, especially linear algebra and calculus, alongside statistical principles. Then, dive into Python programming, focusing on libraries like Pandas and NumPy for data handling. Finally, grasp the fundamental theories behind machine learning models and artificial intelligence. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive understanding. Once your foundation is set, focus on practical tools. Python is paramount, offering powerful libraries for data analysis, machine learning, and AI development. SQL is crucial for interacting with databases, allowing you to extract and manage vast amounts of information. Additionally, mastering data visualization tools helps you communicate insights effectively to any audience. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They offer incredible comfort and come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them, along with other deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Theory is important, but practical application is key. Start working on projects using real datasets to solidify your understanding. Develop a strong portfolio that highlights your diverse skills in data cleaning, modeling, and interpretation. Engaging in online challenges, like those on Kaggle, provides valuable experience and helps refine your techniques with constructive feedback. As you progress, consider specializing in areas that interest you, such as natural language processing or computer vision. Explore advanced machine learning algorithms and deep learning architectures to tackle more complex problems. Continuously learning and staying current with the rapid advancements in data science and AI is vital for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.